Guys, summer na! And if you are looking for cool yet affordable headphones, we will show you what is the best right now under 3,000 pesos. I'm Christoph, your resident tech guy, and today we will find out what's inside the box. Inside the box is the new series of Gizmos.ph, where we will feature the latest tech products to see if they're worth the buy. Right now, we will review not just one, but two products. From Decibel Technology, we have the Jackhammer DT-100 and we have the Riverter DT-200. First, let's check out the packaging. Alam nyo ba not everyone pays attention to the packaging? But the packaging says a lot about the products. The box is made up of a thick matte board, strong enough to protect the gizmo inside. And of course, makikita rin sa box ang product information, such as the product specifications, the features, accessories included, and the available colors.
Let's check out the headphones. When you open the box, you will find the cover, the product's manual, and the Bluetooth headphones. You will also find USB to headphone cable and the USB charging cable.
The good thing about the Riverter is that it has three main uses. One, of course, as a headset to listen to your favorite music. As a gizmo to receive your calls kapag nakakonect siya sa iyong mobile device. And also as a speaker, you just flip the heads outward and voila! May speaker ka na. On the other hand, the Jackhammer headphone has two main uses. One, of course, as a headset to listen to your favorite music. Two, as a gizmo to receive your calls kapag nakakonect siya sa iyong mobile device. To use the device as a regular headphone, plug it in with a cable and wear as a headphone. Increase the volume slowly to your desired level and adjust the band to fit. So that's it for our first Inside the Box episode of Gizmos.ph. We've checked out these two great products and we gave our first impressions. If you want to get your own Decibel Technology Jackhammer DT-100 and Riverter DT-200, just click the link on your screens. For more reviews, visit our website Gizmos.ph, or you may also like our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel.